Well, storms are rolling through the region right now, and there is concern about flash flooding.
Kate is tracking it all and joins us again with the very latest. Kate?
Thanks, Yuki and Jessica. We are watching, even in the city of Philadelphia, some lightning flashing in the western sky here. This is our camera at the Free Library of Philadelphia, the Parkway Central branch, looking out toward the west. And every once in a while, you can see some flashes of lightning in the distance. Back in the day, we used to think this was a thing called heat lightning, which is not a thing. If you see what you think is heat lightning, that's just lightning from a storm far enough away that you're not hearing the thunder. But not seeing much here in Philadelphia right now. These storms are still pretty well off to the west, but they are strong and in some spots severe at this hour. It is still very warm in spots that have not picked up any rain. Mid-70s in Wilmington and Philadelphia right now. 67 with heavy rain in Allentown. Thunderstorm reported in Lancaster right now, where it's dropped to 68 degrees. So you can see this mass of storms moving in. Now we have one severe thunderstorm warning right now, and it's for parts of eastern Berks, northern Montgomery County, and the Lehigh Valley. The storms down here to the south are nasty. They have a lot of rain, they have a lot of lightning, but they are non-severe right now, meaning the winds are below the threshold of severe wind gusts. We're not seeing hail, and we're not seeing the risk of a tornado. So no severe warnings with those just yet. That doesn't mean they can't turn severe, but currently we're just seeing heavy downpours and lots of lightning. But here is one severe thunderstorm warning still in effect. I also want to show you some storm reports. Anywhere you see these icons, reports of trees down, wires down. We had a report of a thunderstorm wind gust over 60 miles per hour near Reading. Here is in the city of Shillington, Berks County. Trees and wires reported down on Brobe Street in Shillington. That was about 10:48. Why a missing Berks County, tree down on a garage, time estimated from radar. Many reports of power lines down, live wires down around Berks County now that those storms have moved through. And again, this severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11:45 tonight. We also have flash flood warnings in effect for much of the Lehigh Valley, from Allentown right up toward Bethlehem and Easton into the overnight hours. Reports that Route 145 in that area has been closed due to flood waters. So the severe thunderstorm watch will go until midnight. It remains to be seen if that will be extended. It does look as though, because the storms moving into the south are non-severe right now, the severe threat may likely diminish a bit overnight, but the threat for heavy downpours and frequent lightning will stick with us right through the overnight hours. This is what it will look like by 12:30. Still scattered heavy downpours around the city and suburbs. 4:45, still dealing with some rain north and west, and that's why we still have that flash flood watch in effect currently until 2 a.m. Tomorrow morning, we've got some heavy downpours likely in South Jersey and down the shore as this front hangs out overhead. It's now looking like the rain threat along this boundary is going to last even longer into the day tomorrow, not clearing out until late tomorrow afternoon. A very slow moving boundary. So by the time we're all said and done through tomorrow, some spots, especially down in South Jersey, could pick up another inch or two of rain. Now those areas not under a flash flood watch because we didn't see quite as much rain with Ida. So tonight, thunderstorms likely at any time through the overnight hours, some severe, especially within the next hour or so. Tomorrow is mostly cloudy. The humidity will drop late in the day, but scattered showers likely throughout the region all day long. And then the good stuff, the dew points dropping to the low 50s by Friday and Saturday. We also have a new tropical storm that formed this evening. This is Tropical Storm Mindy, which will be heading out into the Atlantic by Friday and Saturday and should not be a threat for us. So showers around tonight through tomorrow, sunny and beautiful then Friday and Saturday. It heats up a little bit on Sunday, but altogether pretty nice weather as we head into next week. Yuki?